Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, confirm power and reset the Vision microwave by unplugging for 10 seconds, then plug back in. Next, position the unit on a stable, heat-resistant surface with 3 to 4 inches clearance. This prevents heat traps and airflow issues. Choose microwave-safe dishes, glass, ceramic, or labeled plastics, because metal or sealed containers can spark or explode. Once done, open the door and check the turntable is seated correctly and spins freely. That ensures even heating and avoids hot spots. You now operate the controls. Select power level according to food, full power for dense items, lower power for gentle defrosting, because lower power cycles prevent overcooking. Set time in short bursts and check frequently. Pause, stir, or flip every 30 to 60 seconds to eliminate cold spots. Use the Vision microwave's presets for popcorn, defrost, and reheat, then tweak time or weight inputs to match your portion. Make sure to cover foods loosely to retain moisture, while allowing steam to escape. Finish by letting food rest for 30 to 90 seconds. Residual heat evens internal temperature and avoids hot pockets. Clean the cavity after each use. Wipe spills with a damp cloth and mild detergent, because residue reduces efficiency and emits odors. If the Vision microwave won't heat, reset by unplugging, confirm outlet power with another appliance, and inspect the plug and cord. If still dead, check the internal fuse or call a qualified technician. This approach quickly resolves common issues and keeps your unit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.